Right. So today you are welcome to the lecture in MIS. So today we are going to discuss about organizations and computer network. So what do you think about organization and computer networks and how these computer networks and organizations are combined? So moving on, let's go through how the organization networks are combined. So organizations rely on computer networks to link branches, employees, and customers. As an example, we can say banks use networks to link ATMs across the country. So we can mainly say that without a computer networks, organization can't handle their uh, employees, customers, where they have many branches. So first we have to identify what is this computer network. So computer networks connect devices to share resources and information. So we know that there are so many networks. So the computer networks are, we can say, Wi-Fi, as well as there are internet. So those are the some sort of networks. So as an example, we can say that Wi-Fi at home connects phones, laptops, and TVs. So when it comes to the computers as well as computer networks and organization, we have to identify what is this computer network first. So there are some types of computer networks. So first common type is LAN, local area network. So the second one is wide area network. So we can in short form, we can say it's WAN. The third type is metropolitan area network or MAN. So why there are three types? And what is the difference between these three types computer networks? So as an example, we can say a city transport authorization use MAN or metropolitan area network. So with the objective, the type of computer network is different. So with the thing that we use for this kind of network, so for the purpose, the network computer network type also get different. So first let's see what is this local area network is or LAN means. So LAN is a connects computers within a small area like an office or school. So we can say that these local area networks are we basically use for small area connect computers. So we can say such as in a school, office, as well as in a university, we use this kind of local area networks. So because why? We only connect computers within a small area. So that's the key point we have to identify what is this local area network. So as an example, we can say all computers in a school lab sharing a printer and files. So we can share uh, our information through these local area networks within our small area through these local area networks. Then we move on to the second type. So second type is wide area network or WAN. So what is this? This covers large geographical area. As an example, we can say a bank. Bank's WAN connects branches in different cities securely. So we can say that this WAN covers a large geographical area than the LAN. So why with the uh, but we can identify it says wide area network. So that description we can say this is our large geographical area. So in here you can see that as the example, a bank's van connects branches in different cities of security. So then we move on to the network devices. So there are some network devices that we have to use in WAN. So there are routers, switches, modems. So not only in a WAN, in a LAN also we have to use routers, switches as well as modems. So as an example, we can say a home router connects multiple phones to the internet. So what is this router? Router is it directs the data. When it comes to the switches, it connects devices as well as the modems are the connect to internet. So we need these three elements are essential for network as network devices. So without uh, with without any of this, we can't have a good network. So when it comes to the internet versus intranet, what is this internet and what is this intranet? Any ideas? So internet is the public global network. So when it comes to the intranet, it's private internal network. So as an example, we can say employees using a company intranet for HR services. Most of companies have their own network. So these own networks are the intranets. It's private. So they are not public. So public network is the internet. So the private connect network is the intranet. So as well as we have client server model. So what is this client server model? So the clients request services, servers response. So email client connects to server to retrieve new emails. So these are the client server models. So as well as we have network security. We all know that without a security for the network, we will we the data or information will not be safe. So because of that, there should be a network security also. So with the network security, we can protect against cyber threats also. So as an example, we can say firewalls, antiviruses, encryptions used to protect sensitive company data. So with this kind of firewalls, antiviruses, and encryption, we can protect our sensitive company data. So as well as we can say there are some computer benefits that we can get through these computer networks. What are the benefits? So we can say fast communication, resource sharing, centralized data access are some kind of benefits that we can get through the computer networks. So as an example, shared printer in an office is a one kind of uh, benefit that we can gain through computer networks. We all know with computer networks, our communication getting faster, as well as we can share our resources with multiple people as well as there are centralized data access. It means we can access to our data in everywhere. So those are the benefits when it comes to the computer networks. As well as we can identify some challenges when it comes to computer networks. So mainly there are security threats, maintenance cost, and technical failures are the main challenges we can face in computer networks. We all know there are a lot of security threats nowadays when it comes to the computer network. So we have to consider these kind of challenges in our computer networks. If we are unable to protect our computer networks correctly, we are we face for a big challenge. So we also know the maintenance costs in computer networks are high because those are very expensive. So the maintenance cost also getting expensive because of these computer networks. If there is a technical failure, it is very hard to solve that technical failure. So those are the challenges when it comes to the computer networks. As an example, we can say a hospital network's failure delaying patient service. So that is a good example. We can say when it comes to challenges of computer networks, we know patients are prioritized in a hospital. If they are if their patient services are delaying, it's uh, really bad for the hospital as well as the patient also. So we have to keep our computer network secure as well as in a good maintenance as well as without a technical failure. So as a summary, we can say that computer networks helps organizations and operate efficiently but require proper setup and protection. So as a as in the end, we can say that uh, uh, computer networks give, give a lot of benefits for our organizations. So in different ways, but we need to maintain our computer networks properly to get the fullest contribution from it. So hope you all understand today's lecture and thank you.